Hi guys, Cindy from Scrapbrat, and I just wanted to announce that MaryLou from Create Junk Journals with MaryLou, this is her new kit, and I'm on her design team, and I'm like super excited about it. This is 1950s retro. I can't say the word. It is 1950s retro reverie. Probably saying it wrong. Y'all know me in words. But I just wanted to give you a quick view of it because it's like super, super cute. So it has 40 pages, 40. So this is part of the ephemera. And I have not printed on the back of these yet. But look at how pretty this is. Oops, got that one upside down. It's got washi in it, and you could print this on vellum, which I have already done, and we're going to play with it. And it's got journaling cards and belly bands and pockets and tags and pockets for your tags and tags for the pockets on your tags and paper dolls. It's got paper dolls and vintage ephemera and more pockets and circles that we can do all kinds of things with. And look, not one, not two, but 3 pages of vintage ladies. I'm just, and a page of the vintage ads. And these are the journaling pages. And some of these you're gonna see twice because I printed on the back of them, but it's okay because they're worth a second look. Look at these colors. Okay, and I had a couple of misprints. I'm going to show you guys how to fix those in an upcoming video, not today. But look at the vintage fabric and the peeling paint and all of the things. It's just super cute. And I think this kit is extremely versatile. I have so many ideas for it already. And if you don't follow MaryLou already, I will link her below so you can get all of her ideas too, because this is a fantastic kit. And I know it's very pretty and lots of beautiful colors, but I think that it's going to lend very well to the grunge too. So just a thought, and I have a few ideas, and like I said, they will be in some upcoming videos. And I just have this printed on, I think it's 80 pound. It's, it's thin. It's not copy paper, but I didn't print it on photo paper. My printer and I we're on speaking terms again, but we weren't there for a minute. But look at this vintage wallpaper. Oh, it's just beautiful. So what do you guys think? You like it? You excited? I'm excited. I'm super excited. So just wanted to say thank you for stopping by, guys, and go out and do something to spread joy today. As a matter of fact, why don't you get yourself a new kit? So just wanted to say thanks, and till next time, guys, much love. Thanks a lot. Bye.